cute. I got a package and I'm so excited. It's my new digital camera. So let's do an unboxing together. Basically, I went out to dinner and my friend had her digi on her and she took pictures of me and I was obsessed with them. I was like, what is this camera? And she told me the camera, and it was literally written down in my notes as like a digital camera to look into because the Canon G7X is just so expensive and I'm just not ready, especially because I already own 2 cameras. Like, I don't need to keep accumulating all these expensive cameras. And then this one, it was like a little over $100 and I cannot wait. Let's try this out. This is the Kodak Pixpro digital camera. You can get this camera in like 3 colors, I think, and I chose black. It was like red and black were the same price, and then white was like more expensive, and I was like, yeah, I want the black one anyways. But the white is cute as well. Okay, guys. Okay, I love when you get something and it comes with its own batteries. Like, thank you. Okay. So this is what the camera is in. Imagine, let me like be more careful. Oh, she's so cute. Oh my god. Like, guys, my Instagram is gonna hate to see me coming. Pictures every week, okay? Like, I keep telling people I'm getting so serious about making content and just being more active on social media. And like, this camera, compared to my iPhone, mind you, I have a newer iPhone. This camera takes better pictures of me than my iPhone. So, oh, I'm like, why isn't it turning on? It needs batteries, of course. So, let's put in the batteries. The batteries are in. And now I need to put in, please. Oh my god. Do I need to put in my own memory? The camera does not come with its own memory card. What? Good thing I have a bunch, because like I said, I do photography. So this is just my own. That's so rude. It's giving when Apple stopped giving you everything. Like, beautiful. The only thing is, I really need to know what settings and just play around till I get what I want, because my friend, I really liked her settings, and then I was watching TikToks. There are so many different settings you could do. Oh my god. And I love you could do self-timer. You could do so much. If you're thinking about buying a digital camera and you want one that's more affordable and not $1,000, I really recommend it. I'm gonna leave it linked down below. And yeah, follow my Instagram, because be prepared. The Instagram feed is gonna look 10 out of 10. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Comment if you have any more questions or anything like that, or if you want to know what settings I'm gonna be using, I'll let you know. But yeah.
Oh, tell me what's it gonna be. I don't want